Welcome back to John Kleis Car Audio. My name's Connor. We're here on this extremely busy Saturday to show another KENWOOD installation. DJ Tyres is back with us today because they were so happy with their last KENWOOD 10-inch on their Sprinter. They've actually now got it put into their Iveco Daily as part of their tyre fitting services. Remember, DJ Tyres, I mentioned it before, car, van, commercial, plant, agriculture, for all your tyre needs in Reading, mobile service. But let's show you what we've put in here. This is the KENWOOD 10-inch screen. It's not on ignition on this one, so we've actually wired it to a switch live. Reason being, the customer has speakers in the back of his van, so when he's changing tyres, he can actually have some music in the background without having the keys ignition. So if I flick the switch on, we've also given a bespoke startup screen, so you actually got his own logo on the back as it boots up, which is a real nice touch. Now this KENWOOD DMX9720 can offer numerous features, but the most obviously common is we have wireless Apple CarPlay. We've got wireless Android Auto to the customer's phone here, which actually wirelessly connects to this unit itself, completely wirelessly. We have DAB radio, we've obviously got Bluetooth. This customer has opted for a HDMI input as well, which if I open up this top pocket here, we have a HDMI nice and accessible, so he can plug his Amazon Fire Stick into this, and then up comes Netflix and YouTube on it, etc. You can adjust the angle on the fly, so depending on what the angle the customer wants, he can choose. This background at the moment is universal, but what you can do is you can actually choose your favourite pictures from your phone and have them appearing on the screen as well, which is a real nice touch. But yeah, I've probably gone through loads of these. You've probably seen the Sprinter install for DJ Tyres as well. We've done, but that's pretty much it for today. This is an Iveco Daily 2019 roughly. KENWOOD DMX9720 installed by John Kleis Car Audio. My name's Connor, who's showing you how it works. If you need anything else, you know where we are. Ta-ta.